my dad got mad at me because the first day of school he pulled the fridge away and there was trash behind it, evidently, you know. I thought he was throwing stuff behind.
Guitar Master.
Guitar Master X7, yep.
Oh, this is Guitar Master.
No, it's guitar.
Guitar, like I play guitar?
Yeah, guitar. Yeah, so he got mad at me for the first day, like the first day of school, like 2 days ago. He got mad at me when he pulled up the fridge. I usually put trash behind the fridge. Okay. So he pulled it out, and I noticed that the light wasn't working, and it wasn't getting as, it wasn't working. I just noticed that day, and it's like, oh. So yesterday, I noticed that, oh, it wasn't even on. Like, it wasn't even plugged in all the way. Nothing was getting cold. And so he's like, alright, fuck, shit. And he starts fucking yelling at me and says it's my fault that everything went wrong.
Yeah.
Well, pretty much blaming it because I didn't talk and say before, because I didn't notice that it wasn't cold till I saw that the ice box was water and ice. How was I supposed to know? I didn't fucking know. I don't pay that much attention. Do what?
I kind of noticed. That's why I was touching stuff in the fridge.
Really?
Yeah, I thought it was supposed to be like that.
Really?
I thought we copied that one night.
Oh yeah. Well, anyways, look, he just was just pissed off, I guess. I don't know.